Every great city begins with a civil mind, a mind that sees strength in every structure, purpose in every pillar, and vision in every plan. Welcome to the Department of Civil Engineering at Oriental Group of Institutes, where your passion for design and development becomes the foundation for tomorrow's world. Whether you choose our B.Tech in civil engineering or pursue M.Tech in construction technology and management, you'll be immersed in a curriculum that blends engineering theory with practical application. From structural design and surveying to environmental systems, water resources, and smart city planning, we cover it all. Our state-of-the-art labs, including concrete technology and transportation engineering, allow you to gain hands-on skills. At Oriental, learning goes beyond the classroom. Through site visits, expert lectures, and industry-driven projects, you'll gain the experience today's top employers look for. Guided by seasoned faculty and supported by strong industry tie-ups, our students graduate as confident, job-ready engineers equipped for both public and private sectors. Admissions open.